Hi everyone, welcome back to the Friedlies channel. It's Fabiana here and today I have a new video. I just finished looking at everything and every pattern we released last year, and there are more than 20, and I wanted to show you guys all of the patterns in case you haven't seen one of them. And I'm sure you'll get your new sewing inspiration out of this video. I have them all here next to me and there's a lot. I can't believe we released that many patterns in just 1 year, and honestly I'm still obsessed with all of them. So let's start. First we have Aurora. Aurora is to this day one of our best selling sewing patterns. This is just one of the ways you can make Aurora. This one is a mini drop waist dress, but I've also made it as a midi and a maxi, which is actually a new tutorial we released this year. And you can decide if you want to make it strapless or if you want to add straps. It has a zipper on the center back, and I know why you guys love it so much. Honestly, whenever you put it on, it fits like a glove. It hugs your body perfectly, and it's such an easy and fast sew. Next up, we have another best seller, and it's this beautiful tote bag. It's called Camille, and I think we never expected you guys to love this bag so much, but it's so easy to make. I honestly think you can make it in less than 2 hours. It has the cutest bow, and you can mix and match colors you like. I mixed this linen with this black cotton, and it looks beautiful. Now we have some shorts. These are also made in 100% linen. I love them so much. This pattern is called Charlotte. They have the most beautiful pleats on the front of the shorts and gorgeous pockets. And the waistband works with a snap and a zipper. We also have a pattern for this and a sewing tutorial. Okay, so we also made another short sewing pattern. These are also made in linen, but in a different color. You do not know how much I wear these shorts. Honestly, I think I have to make new ones because they already look worn out. These also have some pockets and an elastic waistband, so they're super comfy and really easy to do because it doesn't involve a zipper. Next up, we have a beautiful skirt. This one is an A-line midi skirt with a zipper on the center back. I love it so much. This fabric is beautiful and it's the perfect base to any outfit. It's also really easy to do, and the pattern also comes with a mini option, so you can decide if you want to make it longer or shorter. The next pattern we actually released for a more colder weather. It's this gorgeous cape. It's so elegant. I love it with the gold buttons. It's a dark brown color and it's lined with beautiful brown silk. This pattern is called Scarlet and it's actually so easy to do. It doesn't have a zipper either, so it's really simple to make and really fast. So if you're looking for like a jacket, I definitely recommend doing a cape. It's much easier and it looks so elegant and well made. Okay, so we not only released that pattern for a cape, but we also released a longer version with an opening for the arms. This one's called Lucy and it's beautiful as well. It's a little bit longer and I made it in this beautiful pink color, but I don't know, which color do you prefer? I think I like the brown a little bit better. Next, we have a pattern that you guys loved very much. It's called Elizabeth. What I love about this pattern is that you can make it as a dress, as I did here, or you can make it as a reversible top. Let me show you the top. It's so beautiful. So this is the top. As you can see, it has the same sleeves, and you can use this as a front, and this ties on the back, or you could reverse it. So you could use this as the front of the top and this as the back. So it's super fun to use and to style. I think this pattern is a little bit underrated, but it's so nice. It's this long sleeve top with a ruffle neckline. I honestly love this green color and it's perfect for every day. It's really comfy and it has the cutest design. It also has these ruffles on the sleeve, and it's more of like a crop top, so it reaches to your waist, but you could definitely make it longer if you want. And we also have a tutorial for this. We actually have a tutorial for every single one of the patterns I'm showing you. Okay, so this dress is called Rose. I'm obsessed with this color and I love mix and matching it with a long sleeve black top on the bottom and some black tights. I'm gonna show you a video how I like to use it. It has these buttons on the front and this is what the back looks like. It also has some pockets. I really love it. It fits your body so nicely and I highly recommend making it. Okay, so this next one is actually a 3-in-1 pattern. It's called Adeline and it's a bubble skirt pattern. So the fun thing about this pattern is that you can make it as a dress, as I did here, and I added straps, but you could leave it strapless as well. And it has a bubble skirt. It's so pretty, I love it so much. And that one pattern comes with 3 variations, so you can make it as a dress, as I showed you, and make the skirt, which is this one. I love it so much. And you can also make it as a top. And for the top, you also add a zipper on the back as well as the skirt and the dress, and it just looks like this. It's so pretty. I actually love mix and matching the top and the skirt because it looks like another dress. So if you're looking for a 3-in-1 pattern, this one is it. Okay, so here is a pattern that you guys really loved. It's called Daphne and it's a layered maxi skirt. I decided to mix and match these 2 prints. This is an eyelet fabric and this is a linen. So it is a high-waisted skirt and it has a zipper on one of the sides. It's maxi length and it's really easy to do. It has a lot of fabric, but it just makes it look a lot more beautiful because it looks flowier. Okay, so these 2 I'm going to be showing you are actually different patterns, but I made them as a set. It's the Eloise top with the Millie pants. So these pants are the perfect fit. I've had friends try them on and they are all obsessed with how they fit and hug your body. They're actually really easy to do as well because it's only an elastic waistband. It has pockets, so super useful. And I made that in linen because I wanted the top and the pants to be a set. And the best fabric for this pattern, for the top, is linen. I think this is one of my favorite patterns ever because it's extremely easy to sew and at the same time it looks so professionally made. I don't know, I'm just obsessed with it and you guys should definitely make it. These ones were part of our fall collection. Okay, so I already know you guys were obsessed and still are with this pattern. It's called Francesca and I remember that this pattern came out practically perfectly on the first try. This was the first sample and it was actually my favorite because we obviously sewed it again, but I just love this color. It just pops. This is a pleated dress, so the skirt has sleeves and the top has these beautiful sleeves and it has like a princess cut on the front and the back and it has this beautiful button placket on the front. So this dress doesn't have a zipper, so you open and close it with these button plackets. And we also made it in white. It looks so pretty. I love it so much. Which one's your favorite? I think I like the blue color a little bit better, but this one's so nice as well. And honestly, I think pleats scare a lot of people, but it's really easy to do and actually really fast. So I highly recommend this pattern. I enjoyed sewing it so much. Okay, so you guys were obsessed with this pattern. It's Penelope. This dress fits your body perfectly. I love it so much. As you can see, it just hugs your body and it has this beautiful V neckline on the back and it's a simple but the fit is just amazing and I was obsessed with it too, so I get it. So the next one is actually a dress I'm wearing right now. I'm going to show you guys how it looks, but I think this is one of the patterns that I've used the most in my daily life. It's so comfy, it's flowy, it's a maxi dress, it's that type of outfit that you just grab and try it on and you're ready for the day. So it's super nice. Plus, it's actually really easy to sew because there's no zipper involved and you can make it as a mini dress, a maxi, or honestly, you could even turn it into a top. Next, we have one of our most viral patterns. Here I have 2 of them because honestly, I can't decide which dress I love more. It's a little bit hard to show you right now. I'll just insert a video of how it looks. But this is our Alessandro pattern. It's a more elegant dress with goatee, and I think I'll never get over this dress or this pattern. I know a ton of you guys have tried it, and I think it's one of the prettiest dresses we've ever made. It has a v-neck on the front, a long opening on the back, so it's kind of backless. It's so elegant, and like they just give it that flowiness. I don't know. I wore one of them to a wedding, and everyone loved it. And I decided to make tiny scarf, and it just went so well with the dress. That pattern does take a little bit more time to sew, but I would say that if you're an intermediate sewist, you'll be completely fine. Honestly, the hardest part is just manipulating that amount of fabric and having to cut so many good days. Okay, now we have Adriana. This dress, oh my god, it's so nice, elegant at the same time. It's so feminine. I love it. This one is completely backless and it has a low back as well. You zip it up close on the back, and it's just this mini dress that gives you this really perfect hourglass body. We made it in this simple black fabric, but we also made it in red sequins for the holidays, and everyone loved that dress when I wore it, and I truly enjoyed sewing it. So highly recommended. This one is also part of our last collection, which is the holiday collection we released on December, and it's Lily. This dress is so princess-like, it's so cute. Especially if you choose the right fabric, it'll look so nice and the skirt will just pop. So I love that. It's strapless and it has this beautiful neckline detail. I love it. And it's also lined. And last but not least, this is another one of our holiday patterns. And it's the first time we ever released a coat. I cannot believe this coat fits so nicely. This coat reaches a little bit below your knees, so it's on the longer side. And the cutest part about this pattern is that it has a bow on the neckline, but that's completely optional. If you want to just not do it, you can skip that step. And the tutorial explains every single detail about this pattern. And don't be scared, because I know jackets and coats can be a little bit scarier, but it's actually a really fun sewing experience. You can find all of these patterns and some more on our website, friedlies.com. And currently, if you're new to our website, you can actually get 30% off on all of your first order. So go ahead and check that out. And don't forget to check out the rest of our social media platforms.